Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. In this video, I will show you how to poke someone on Facebook app. This is a simple and fast way to grab someone's attention, and it can be quite enjoyable. If you're curious about how to poke someone on Facebook, make sure to watch this video until the end. So first of all, let's go ahead and open up the Facebook app. And then, what you want to do next is tap on this magnifying glass icon at the top and search for Pokies. Find Pokies. And then, as you can see, there is an option named Pokies. So go ahead and tap on this first search result. And this is where you can poke your friends. You can also see who poked you and you can poke them back. So if you want to poke someone, tap on the search bar, type in their name. And then simply tap on this blue poke button to poke them. And it will say poked after you have done that. So that's how you poke someone on the Facebook app. It's super easy way. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more quick and easy tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a nice day.